On. Hello. Heck, there's spiders on the screen. Isaac, there's heckin' spiders on the screen. What do I do?
That's a stupid app you installed. There's a waste of
Heck, what do I do about these heckin' spiders? What do I do about click here to,
uninstall the useless app?
start? There is no useless app.
You mean the one that you downloaded?
Heck! Standard room 1, room 1. Oh heck. To jump down. Oh heck. Wow. Look at cats.
Like I said, that
cats are heckin' liquid.
That stupid spider app sucks.
Oh heck.
You saw the ocean of orange triangles.
Heck, this, heck, there's heckin' spiders on the screen.
Because of the dumb app you installed.
There's no heckin' dumb app.
Yeah.
Oh look, I can climb. Woo. Oh geez. Oh, spiders.
That you installed on a dumb app?
You're a dumb.
Right, what did I say?
Oh, I'm sorry. What would happen if I said it again?
Consequences?
Oh, I don't remember. But there's heckin' spiders.
Oh no, I'm falling.
Are we both playing the same game?
Right, look.
Are we both playing the same game? What are you playing?
The same game as you.
What are you playing?
Cats are lick. Cats are lick.
Oh geez. Woo. This is awesome. Except for these heckin' spiders on my screen. Oh heck.
Because of an
It's
app
getting
you
tinier.
installed.
Woo. Heck, there's heckin' spiders. Wait, I have 3 heckin' cat lives. He said the cat reminded him of someone. My name's Jack. Heckin' spiders. Jeez.
I'm just slowly pushing these.
Oh! Ooh, I did it! Oh, orange triangles. What do those do?
Don't touch them or you'll
Heck,
get
there's
hurt.
heckin' spiders on the screen, which means I don't... Heck! Ow, I lost a life. Because I touched a heckin' orange triangle.
Get away from me, orange square.
Get away from me, heckin' screen, you heckin' spiders. Am I gonna do this for the whole video, Isaac?
What?
These spiders. I don't like them.
because you installed that app.
It's not a stupid app.
Yes, it is.
Heck. I'm gonna show you how non-stupid it is. Look at these heckin' spiders. They're everywhere. Ew, they scare me. Don't they scare you, Isaac? There's actually spiders in my phone.
No, you just installed an app.
Anyway, I guess this is cats are liquid. She didn't like them. Oh, okay. The cat didn't like them. Ow! I lost another life, but I got all my lives back. Woo! Oh, circles. And second spiders. Don't bite the poor kitty. Is this game popular, you think? Woo!
Ow.
I defeated the level. Woo! Look at all these.
I'm on a harder level.
My name is Jacksepticeye. Heck no, I don't want to charge. But these heck spiders. Ow! Ow! Orange triangle. Heck.
Just wait till you have to step on moving orange squares.
I'm not stepping on giant orange moving squares. I'm stepping on big blue moving squares.
Yeah, well, small orange moving squares will damage you if you touch them.
Ow! Heck, I died. What happens? Oh, I just restart, I guess. Cats are liquid, but these heckin' spiders aren't.
Ow.
What?
I got hit by a square, but then I stomped it.
Woo! I finally got past that. Whew.
Maybe the next
Oh,
one
heck.
would not.
Oh,
would only
she did
go
not.
vertically?
Oh, come on, climb up. Now get down. Heckin' spiders. Oh, I wonder how many dislikes this video will get. I hope it gets none. Ow, heck. I already lost 2 lives.
The one who designed
Oh, heck.
this
Oh,
is
heck.
out of ideas.
Oh, heck. Is it because of these heckin' spiders? I hope not. Heck, I'm gonna die. Heck. Oh, this is hard parkour. It's a really parkour hard game. Heck. Cats are heckin' liquid here.
What did I tell you, Uriah?
Oh, Oh, it's so cute. Okay, now move out of my way, spider. And now I have to do this with only one life left. Oh, heck, I died. Heck, I have to do that all over again.
So,
That's
at least you're not dealing with what I'm dealing with.
Oh my gosh, what are you dealing with? My name's Jacksepticeye.
Climbing up
There's
walls.
heckin' spiders on the screen. I hope people make songs of me. Like, there's heckin' spiders on the screen. There's heckin' spiders on the screen. There's heckin' spiders on the screen. There's heck. Oh look, there are heckin' spiders on the screen. What do I do? Oh no, there are heckin' spiders. Oh heck. I am stuck. Ow, I just died. Heckin' spiders are annoying. Oh yeah. Heckin' spiders, just why won't you go away, you heckin'. Heck spiders. You're annoying. Spiders, you are very annoying. Woo! That was just some awesome parkour right there, Isaac. Heck. My name's Jacksepticeye. Ow, I just got height. Oh, at least I lost one height. Excuse me. Health, I mean. Heck, this heckin' spiders.
It was a bad idea to install that app.
No, it's not a heckin' app. There are literally spiders inside of this heckin' screen.
No, there are.
There are no cats made out of liquid then.
Uriah.
Heck!
It's literally an app. You told me it was an app. I saw it was an app.
Heck. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope these heckin' spiders will finally get off my screen. Bye! Ow.
So